in which we have given radius r. R is the radius of sphere, it is given to you, and you have to find total surface area of the sphere. First of all, you have to know that what is the TSA of sphere. TSA of sphere is 4 pi r square. Okay, what is TSA of sphere? 4 pi r square. Now put values here. TSA of sphere is 4 pi r square. 4 is 4 here. Pi value is 22 upon 7. What is r? Is 10.5 into 10.5. Then what to do? I am going to remove this 10. Here 10. 7 1 7. 7 1 7. 3. Okay, 3. 7 5 35. Then what to do? 5 2 10. 5 3 15. Again here 5 2 10. Again 5 2 10. 5 1 5. 2 1 2 and 2 1 2. Then 22 into 63. 22 into 63, this will be 1386 centimeter square. This is your answer. Come on, one more question. Question number 2. In this one, you have given diameter. Diameter is given to you 14 centimeter. If diameter is 14, then what will be the radius? Radius, definitely it will be half of it. This will be 14 upon 2. This is 7 centimeter. And what you have to find? TSA of sphere. TSA of sphere you have to find out. And what is TSA of sphere? Earlier we have seen 4 pi r square. This is 4 pi r square. 4 22 upon 7. 7 into 7. 7 1 7. 7 1 7. This is 22 4 88 into 7. 8 7 56. 8 7 56 5. 8 7 56 and 5 61 centimeter square. This is your answer. Yes, the next question is, find the total surface area of a hemisphere of radius 10 centimeter and you have to take pi is 3.14. Then what to do is just you see what is given here. Radius r is given to you 10 centimeter and pi is given to you 3.14, and you have to find TSA of hemisphere. Okay, then my question is, what is TSA of hemisphere? TSA of hemisphere is 3 pi r square. TSA of hemisphere, that is 3 pi r square. 3 value of pi is here. Pi is what? 3.14, and value of r is 10 into 10. If I remove, 100 will come, then cut 1 2 1 2. 3 4 12 1. 3 1 3 and 1 4. 3 3 9 and centimeter square. This is your answer. Yes, the next question. The radius of a spherical balloon increases from 7 centimeter to 14 centimeter as air is being pumped into it. Find the ratio of surface area of the balloon, and balloon in the shape of sphere, no? And what is the TSA of sphere? TSA of sphere is 4 pi r square. Okay, you have to find ratio of surface areas of the balloon in these two cases. What you have given, r1 is given to you 7 centimeter and r2 is given to you here 14 centimeter. You have to find ratio of it. what will be the ratio? 4 pi r1 square, this is TSA of first balloon, and divide by 4 pi r2 square, this is the TSA of second balloon. Now see here, 4 pi to 4 pi is gone out. What is r? R is 7, r square is 7 into 7, and here r2 square is this 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 2 is 14. 1 into 1 is 1, 2 2 is 4. What is the ratio? We can say ratio is 1:4, and this is the answer of this. Yes, the next question is, a hemispherical bowl made of brass, inner diameter is given to you 10.5 centimeter. So find the cost of tin plating it on the side at the rate of rupees 16 per 100 centimeter square. What is given? Diameter is given to you 10.5, r is given to you 10.5 upon 2, radius will become half. Rate is given rupees 16 per 100 centimeter square. Okay, then what will be rate of per centimeter square is 16 upon 100. Now then, we have to find out CSA of that bowl. Okay, what is CSA of hemisphere, bowl in the shape of hemisphere? What is CSA of hemisphere is? So CSA of hemisphere is 2 pi r square, isn't it? Okay, so you have to put value of r. Pi is given to you 22 upon 7, that you know. Now come on. 22 upon 7, r is here 10.5 upon 2 into 10.5 upon 2, this much centimeter square. And how much amount you have to pay? Amount you have to pay. For that, you have to multiply it the rate per centimeter square. This is rupees 16 upon 100 into 2, 22 upon 7, 10.5 upon 2 into 10.5 upon 2. When you simplify it, you will get 27.72. This is your answer, and this is the amount he has to pay. Find the radius of sphere whose surface area is what given to you? 154 centimeter square. Now surface area is given to you of what? Sphere. Okay. TS is given to you 154 centimeter square, and what you have to find? You have to find its radius. Radius is question mark. And what is TSA of sphere? TSA of sphere is what? 4 pi r square. Okay, let me see 4 pi r square is here. TSA is 154, 4 as it is. Pi is value 22 upon 7, that we know. R square is this. Now I have to find r square. This will be 154 into 7 upon 4 into 22. Okay, then 22 was there 22, 22, 7 there. This is your 49 upon 4. Then what will be r? I have to take square root. And this is your 7 upon 2. Then what is r? R I am writing here. 7 upon 2 means what? 3.5. Unit will be centimeter. And this is your next question. A hemispherical bowl is made of steel 0.25 centimeter thick. The inner radius of the bowl is given to you 5 centimeter. Okay. Find the outer CSA of the bowl. Thickness is also given to you. Like this is the bowl. Okay. Its thickness is given to you. Okay. Its radius is given to you here 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. And thickness is 0.25 centimeter. And what will be the outer radius? Outer radius means from here to here. Outer radius capital R. 5 plus 0.25. This will be 5.25. I can say capital R. This is your capital R. Outer radius. Okay. What is the formula of CSA of a bowl? That is 2 pi r square. R is your capital R because I am taking outer radius. That is 2 pi r square. 2 pi value 22 upon 7. R is your 5.25 into 5.25. This is 100 and this is 100. Okay. When you will solve it, you will get the answer 173.25 centimeters square. This is your. The next question is, the right circular cylinder encloses a sphere of radius r. One cylinder is there. In between one sphere is enclosed, and radius is given to you r. What is the surface area of sphere? If we have given radius r, then what will be its surface area? That we know. What is the formula of surface area of sphere? That is 4 pi r square. This is your 4 pi r square. Okay. Then second part. CSA of cylinder. What is CSA of cylinder is? 2 pi RH. Okay. This is your 2 pi RH. 2 pi R is R. And what is H? H is your diameter of sphere. This is your 2r. So this will be 4 pi r square again. Okay. Now the third part. Ratio of first and second. This is 4 pi r square upon 4 pi r square. We can say this is cut 1, 1. We can say 1 ratio 1. This is the answer of it. Yes. Now the next question is, the diameter of moon is approximately 1/4 diameter of earth. Find the ratio of their surface areas. Okay. What is given? Diameter of moon equal to 1/4 diameter of earth. Okay. If diameter is given, then what will be radius? Radius will be 2 into r. It means 2 into radius of moon. 1/4, 2 into radius of earth. 2 to 2 cut. Then radius of moon will be what? Radius of earth upon 4. If cross multiply, 4 into Rm is equal to Re. Radius of earth we can write 4 into Rm. Okay, this is the equation number 1. Now what we have to find, it is given to you in question. Find the ratio of their surface area. It means surface area of moon upon surface area of earth, that we have to find out. Surface area of moon, surface area of earth. What is 4 pi ratio Rm square upon 4 pi Re square, radius of earth. Radius of moon, as it is radius of earth is what? 4 into Rm square. So radius of moon square upon 4 square is 16. Rm to Rm cut 1 upon 16, or what to do? 1 ratio 16. This is the answer of it. Yes, come on. On next exercise 13.8, you have to find out volume of sphere, where radius is given to you. Radius is given to you 7 centimeter. What is volume of sphere? And volume of sphere, we know. What is the volume of sphere is? What is volume of sphere is? 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Okay, I am writing here volume of sphere 4 upon 3 pi r cube. R is 7 centimeter. Volume you have to find out. So what is C here? 4 upon 3, 22 upon 7. R is what? 7, no? Here is r cube. I am writing 3 times. 1, 2 and 3. You cut 7 to 7. 7 to 7 cut. When you multiply it, see, this is 88 into 49 upon 3. This is 4312 upon 3. When you divide it, you will get 1437, then 1 upon 3. What will be its unit? Because it is volume, no? Unit will be centimeter cube. Centimeter cube. Okay. One more question we will do. Question number 2. In this one, you have given diameter. Then what will be its radius? It's half. So radius will be 28 upon 2, 14 centimeter. What you have to find? Its volume. What is volume of sphere? Volume of sphere is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Right here. Volume of sphere 4 upon 3 pi r cube. 4 upon 3. What is value of pi? 22 upon 7. R is what? Here 14 into 14 into 14, because cube is, again cut. 7 1 7, 7 2 is 14. Okay, this is 88. 14 2 is 28 into 14 upon 3. When you multiply it, you will get 34496 upon 3. And divide in the fraction only. Don't try to get in decimal, but both things are right. Okay. And 11498 by 3. This is, then 2 is remaining. 2. Okay. What is the unit? Centimeter cube. This is the answer. Now the next question is, the diameter of metallic ball is 4.2 centimeter. What is the mass of the ball? You have to find the mass. If the density of metal is given to you 8.9 gram per centimeter cube, it means if you multiply this density into volume, you will get mass of it. So what to do? First of all, you have to find out volume of that ball. Ball is in which shape? Spherical shape. Then what is the volume of sphere? Volume of sphere is 4 upon 3 pi r cube. We have not given r. What we have given then? We have given diameter. Diameter is 4.2. Then what will be radius? 4.2 upon 2. This will be 2.1. Density is given 8.9 gram per centimeter cube. Mass you have to find out. Come on, going to put the values. How to do? 4 upon 3 pi r cube, 2.1 into 2.1 into 2.1. This is 10, this is 10, and this is 10. 7 1 is 7, 7 3 is 21. This 3 to 3 cut. This is 88, and 21 into 21 is 441 upon 1000. This will be 38808, and decimal after 3 places. This is your centimeter cube. Then what you have to find? Mass. Mass is equal to volume into density. Write down mass is equal to volume into density. What is the volume? 38.808. And what is the density? This is 8.9. When you multiply it, then what will you get? See, 345.39 grams. This is your answer. Yes, the next question is, how many liters of milk can a hemispherical bowl of diameter 10.5 centimeter hold? Okay, so volume of spherical can equal to what? 2 upon 3 pi r cube, that we know. Then diameter is given to you 10.5 centimeter. Then what will be the radius? 10.5 upon 2. Then radius is equal to 10.5 upon 2. I am removing this. This is 10 now. Okay, this is 10. So 5 2s are 10. This is 21. So 21 upon 4 will be the radius of that hemispherical can. Okay. Now put the values. 2 upon 3 pi 21 upon 4 into 21 upon 4 into 21 upon 4. Okay. Then what will we see? 7 1 are 7, 7 3s are. So 3 to 3 you can cut. Okay, 2 1 are 2, 2 2s are 4. 2 1 are 2, 11 is here. So 11 into 21 into 21, 441 upon 16. Okay. Use your Vedic rule. What is 4 and 1 you have to write here. 4 and 1 5 and 4 plus 4 8 upon 16. Okay. This is the volume. We convert this volume in decimal form. After dividing you will get 303.2 centimeter cube. This is this volume in centimeter cube, but you have to find this capacity in liters. Okay. So for converting centimeter cube into liters, you have to divide by 1000. Okay, capacity 303.2 upon 1000. You will get 0.3032 liters, and this is your answer. Of iron sheet, it is 1 centimeter thick. Okay, this thickness is 1 centimeter. The inner radius is 1 meter. Inner radius R1 is 1 meter, and find the volume of iron used to make a tank. One hemispherical tank, it is like this. Inner radius is given to you. What will be outer radius? In outer radius you have to add thickness. Thickness, it is 1 centimeter given to you. Then what will be R2? Inner radius plus thickness. Thickness is 1 centimeter. Because it is given you 1 meter, no? So convert 1 centimeter into meter by dividing by 100. So this is 1 upon 100 into meter. 1 upon 100, what we can write in decimals? This is 0.01 meter. Then if you add, then what will be? 1.01 meter. This is your R2. Okay, R1 and R2 we got it, and we have to find this volume of iron sheet. Okay, and it is in shape of hemisphere. Volume of iron used in hemispherical tank. This will be outer volume minus inner volume. For outer volume, take outer radius, and for inner volume we have to take inner radius. What is the volume of hemisphere? Hemisphere volume is what? This is 2 upon 3 pi r cube. So for outer volume, you have to take 2 upon 3 pi r2 cube minus 2 upon 3 pi r1 cube. Come on. 2 upon 3 pi, you take it common. Then this will be r2 cube minus r1 cube. So 2 upon 3 pi value is what? 22 upon 7. What is r2? R2 is here 1.01 cube minus R1 is what? 1 cube it is. So this is your 44 upon 21 into, if you multiply 1.01 cube, this will be 1.030301. Okay, then minus 1. If you subtract it, then directly you will get 0.030301. Okay, then after dividing this, what will be after solving this? 0.6349 meter cube approximately you will get. Okay, now on the next, find the volume of sphere when surface area is given to you 154 centimeter square. Surface area is given to you. So what is the surface area of sphere? That is 4 pi r square. Surface area, I can say PSA of sphere 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. PSA is given to you 154. 4 into 22 upon 7, then r square. Then try to sand it here. Sand this side 154 into 7 upon 4 into 22. 22 1 ja 22, 22 7 ja this. So what will be here? 49 upon 4. Okay, then you have to find r. Take square root that side. R will be what? Under root 49 upon 4. Then square root of this 49 is 7 and square root of 4 is 2. This is your r is 7 upon 2. Value of r is 7 upon 2. What is the unit? Unit is centimeter. This is the centimeter. Then you have to find volume of it. Volume of sphere. Volume of sphere. That we know 4 upon 3 pi r cube. 4 upon 3. Pi value 22 upon 7. And r cube it is. So 7 upon 2, 7 upon 2 and 7 upon 2. Okay. Then you can cut 7 to 7 here. Okay. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2. And here is 11. So what will be? Then what will be 11 into 7 7 ja 49 upon 3. Okay, when you multiply it by Vedic method, you will get 539 upon 3. And take answers in fraction. This will become 1792 upon 3 centimeter cube. And this is your answer. Yes, the next question is 27 solid iron spheres, each of radius r and surface area s, are melted to form a sphere with surface area s dash. Find the radius r dash of hemisphere and second ratio of s dash, s and s dash. Okay, now see. 27 small hemispheres are there. You are melting it and making one big sphere. Okay, it is you are melting it means volume it is given to you. So V dash, we can say V dash is equal to 27 into V. Okay, so what is the volume of sphere? 4 upon 3 pi r dash cube. 27 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Okay, 4 upon 3 pi to 4 upon 3 pi cut. What is r dash? This will be 27 into r cube. This is cube root of it. And 27 is 3 cube. And this will cut. So this will become 3r. Okay. 3 into 3 into 3 is 27. I am writing here. 3 into r whole power 3, then 1 upon 3. Both will cut 3r. R dash is equal to 3r. This is your answer number 1. You have to find ratio of s and s dash. S upon s dash, you have to find out what is the surface area of sphere, 4 pi r square. Surface area of this new sphere, 4 pi r dash square. Okay, 4 pi to 4 pi cut. R square is r square here. R dash square, r dash is what? 3r. 3r square. So r square and 9 r square to r square cut 1 upon 9. So s upon s dash is equal to 1 upon 9. So this is your answer. We can write 1 ratio 9 also. This is the answer of this question. Next question is, a dome of a building is in the form of hemisphere from inside and it was whitewashed at the cost of rupees 498.96, and if the cost of whitewashing rate is given to you, what is the rate? See, rupees 2 per meter square. What you have to find? Find two things. One is inner surface area of the dome and second thing is volume of air inside it. Okay, first of all, how to get the inner surface area when amount is given to you? See, inner surface area will be what? Whatever amount is paid and what is the rate per meter square. How much amount paid is 498.96, and what is the cost of 1 meter square? This whitewashing, this is 2 rupees. So divide by 2, then 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, then 1 2 9s are 18, then 2 4s are 8 and 2 8s are 16 meter square. This is the inner surface area. Then for second, we have to find volume of air inside it. Okay, for second part, come on. Now then, what is given here? You have to find volume of air inside it. But volume you have to find out, but radius is not given to you. How to get radius? By first part, we got it the area of inner surface area of that hemisphere. What is, let the radius be r. Then what is the inner surface area? What is the formula of it? It is 2 pi r square. And we got this area 249.48. 249, 2 pi r square is equal to 249.48. 2 into 22 upon 7. This r square is equal to 249.48. Then what will be r square? 249.48 into 7 upon 2 into 22. Okay. Then after solving, what you will get? You will get 39.69, and this under root 39.69, this will be 6.3 meter. Radius of dome, you got it here, 6.3 meter. Then you have to find its volume. What will be the volume of dome? Volume will be what? 2 upon 3 pi r cube. Now see, I am going to put the values. 2 upon 3 pi r cube. I am putting the values. 2 upon 3 pi r cube is what? 6.3 into 6.3 into 6.3. Isn't it? Now remove. This is 10. Remove this 10 and remove this 10. 7 ones are 7. 7 nines are. 3 ones are 3. 3 threes are 9. Okay, here is 44. Here is 3. Here is 63. Here is 63 upon 1000. Okay. After that, you have to multiply it and you can get the answer. See, 4 3s are 12, 132, 63 into 63 upon 1000 centimeter cube. Now see, this is general multiplication, no? So that 132 into 63 into 63, you will get 523,908. 523,908 upon 1000. This is 523.908. This is your, what is in meter cube. Meter cube. This